This is truly one of my favorite events every single year. If you like jazz and dancing, then you do not want to miss this opportunity to attend Jazz 2017. It helps to benefit the Inner City Health Center in Denver, which actually serves more than 21,000 people each year. Wow. Jazz musician Hazel Miller. Just love this woman, I have to tell you. She's here along with Craig Burleson with Inner City Health Center, and it's great to have you both on the show. So, Craig, first let's start with Inner City Health Center. Talk about what you do.
Well, thank you so much, Denise, again, for inviting us to be here. As you mentioned, we serve over 21,000 patient visits a year. We're a healthcare home, so that means that we are a one-stop shop for everyone in their health. Our medical program has 3 departments: prenatal, pediatric, and adult. We also have a full complement of dental services that we provide. And we also offer what is called a team-based care approach, which is an integrated method of care, which means that we integrate mental and behavioral health also as a component of the care delivery process. And we also have an outreach program called Congregational Health Ministry. So we're doing a lot of different things
do a lot.
in a lot of different ways.
Right, and you offer a lot of services, which is fantastic. Talk about the patients and how many of them you see a year.
Okay, again, 21,000 patient visits a year. And what is surprising to most people is that over 40% of our patients come from outside the city and county of Denver. So they come from near and far. The 7 counties are well represented in our patient population. And we also have some special patient populations that we serve also, like the veterans, as someone that doesn't always get enough attention, so we serve them as well.
So you help people with medical care. If they couldn't afford to go to a hospital directly, you'll help them with their funds.
Exactly.
But you're a nonprofit, so how do you support yourself?
Well, over 50% of our income comes from our patients. We're not a free clinic. Everybody pays something.
Right.
For the uninsured, we charge on a sliding fee scale basis, which is based on the amount of income and the number of people in the household. Then we take Medicaid, we take Medicare, and we're taking some other private insurances like United Healthcare has recently come on board with us.
Good, very nice. And Hazel, now you are a wonderful singer, beautiful singer.
Okay.
Amazing, she is. And you're also a patient of Inner City Health, and you decided to found Jazz. Why did you decide to do that?
We were having lunch one day, and I said, well, how do you raise funds? And they all looked at me, and I said, well, we should call on the music community because most of us don't have insurance, and let's do a benefit. And we've been doing it ever since. We started out with Dot Cyril.
Do you want to tell us how Inner City Health saved your life?
I had used up all my savings trying to find out what was wrong with my heart. I had been treated for everything from a heart attack, which I hadn't had, to all kinds of things. And my favorite doctor at Inner City sent me to a friend of his who was a cardiologist at Lutheran. He listened for a few minutes and said, I know what this is, it's AFib. My heart would speed up and slow down. The electrical pulse would just go haywire. And I remember stepping up on stage, and that's all I remember, at a casino. And I woke up to one of my backup singers just smacking me. And I'm like, please stop. So this past March, I was standing on stage in Boulder, and I didn't realize it then, but I was having a heart attack. And I didn't go to the doctor. I let it all calm down. And the next morning, I went to Inner City, and my favorite doctor, Dr. Craig, love him dearly, he said, can you drive? I said, yes. He said, go to St. Joe's. You're on the backside of a heart attack. And I went to St. Joe's. Someone was waiting for me, and that was like 11 o'clock in the morning. By 6 o'clock in the afternoon, they had put a stent in my heart. I went home the next day.
Saved your life.
Saved my life.
So that's why you want to pay back with Jazz. And when is this year's event, and how do we get tickets?
October 20th, and you can call us. You can go online. It's innercityhealth.org. You can buy your ticket online, and the website is fabulous. But Craig knows the number better than I. You can call and get your ticket online. But it's Chris Daniels and the Kings blew up the museum last year. We danced till we took our shoes off.
Oh, wow. Yeah. Well, we had you both on the show here, and both of you are quite the entertainers. I'm serious. So if we can't attend Jazz this year, is there another way that we can help Inner City Health?
There's a number of ways. They can reach out to us, and if they want to make a direct donation, that's fine. But we also use volunteers. Right now, we are looking for nurses, nurse practitioners specifically, and we'd like them to contact us, and they can feel free to contact me directly if they're interested in one of those areas, 720-833-5097. That's my direct line.
Say it again slower.
720-833-5097.
Okay.
And you can get me, and I'm happy to talk to anyone who might be interested in volunteering.
Now, don't you blame me if some women call you and they go, Craig, I got your number. I want to meet you. You gave it out, not me. Don't you blame me.
My wife also volunteers as a greeter, so she may filter some of those
She'll
calls.
take care of those calls.
That's
All
right.
Well, you can take flight with Hazel Miller and Chris Daniels and the Kings at the Wings Over the Rockies for Jazz 2017. It's Friday, October 20th from 6 until 10 p.m. Purchase your tickets and help support the Inner City Health Center. Purchase your tickets at innercityhealth.org/jazzed-2017. If you need more information on the medical center, call 303-296-1767. Or for dental care, call 303-296-4873.